How to stop iPhone from pressing random buttons. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. From here, you can personalize iPhone in ways that work best for you with accessibility features for vision, mobility, hearing, speech, and cognition. Scroll down to the Physical and Motor section and tap on Touch. On this page, you can manage various touch settings such as haptic touch, touch accommodations, tap to wake, shake to undo, back tap, and more. Here, go to Touch Accommodations. Then, turn off the touch accommodation switch as shown. Following these steps, you can easily stop iPhone from pressing random buttons. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.